Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, chrome rear bumper, daytime running lamps, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.